Night in the coronavirus pandemic and the upcoming school year, a power struggle between the state and local leaders, putting parents right there in the middle. Texas Governor Greg Abbott has overruled Harris County Judge Lina Hidalgo.
The governor says Judge Hidalgo cannot keep school districts from reopening their campuses. Our education team is keeping tabs on the always changing landscape of our local schools, and Keith Garvin is live at Kashmere High School in Northeast Houston tonight with the newest information. Keith?
Chris, Dominic, one of our goals is to help eliminate as much confusion as possible for parents. A lot of them are saying that they're getting mixed messages from their elected officials. And today's statement from Governor Abbott has only widened the chasm between the state and the county.
The whole pandemic is hitting close to home.
The virus remains, as does tension between state and local leaders over when and how students will return to school. The latest salvo, a statement from Governor Greg Abbott Friday. The letter says, in part, the authority to make decisions about when and how schools safely open rests with the constitutionally and statutorily established local school boards. In other words, Harris County Judge Lina Hidalgo's order last Friday requiring all public and non-religious private schools stay closed and provide online learning until at least September 8th holds no weight. This isn't the first time the state and county have not seen eye to eye on a COVID-related issue.
I think the mask order is one of the places where we have seen that disconnect.
Hidalgo not staying silent about the governor's stance. Late Friday, in a tweet, the judge posted, "We're disappointed by today's guidance from the state revoking local authority on school closures. We continue to urge schools to remain closed to in-person instruction per local health authorities." And this earlier today.
Today's guidance, today's decision is not only put at risk the lives of children and the health of children, but the lives and health of their parents, of their teachers. The entire community is going to be at risk because of this.
Mayor Sylvester Turner Friday remaining aligned with Hidalgo if COVID cases don't see a dramatic drop.
With all due respect, there is no way under the sun I will allow even my child to go to a school if these numbers are the same or greater by the end of August.
Parents and others are as divided as the state and county.
I actually do believe kids need to be in school.
While I certainly understand that perspective, I think right now we have to be also thinking about this larger issue of having a virus which at this point we don't have a vaccine for.
And the governor's statement also reiterated that the school districts are required to follow TEA guidelines, which do allow them to provide online-only learning for the first 4 weeks, and then they can request an additional 4 weeks before beginning person and face-to-face, I should say, instruction. Reporting live from Northeast Houston, Keith Garvin, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Thank you, Keith.